What is the prep kit? It is literally everything that you need to prepare for the main program. So instead of you having to wait till the main program starts, I would rather give you a diet and give you workouts that you can start doing right now. I have found that people lose about 1, 2, 3 kilos during the prep kit, depends on person to person. But more importantly, the people that do the prep kit, because they've had time to kind of prepare and get used to it, they do much better on the programs and they see much better results, right? Because it's difficult to sometimes jump into something, and the prep kit gives you all the time from now till when we start to get all these things in place. So just getting used to it, and through this also you can message us on WhatsApp, take some time to reply, but we always reply, so you can ask us questions whenever you want. So idea is, the prep kit is here so that you don't have to wait, you can start immediately. That's what it's about. So you get a diet and you get workouts that you can start off with. So I hope that explains that. So come join me and let's transform together.